Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jared back again at the black table with another sneaker review for you. And as you can see, we have one of my favorite New Balances of all time, the New Balance M990 V2, and specifically in the navy and Castlerock colorway. Now this shoe originally released as a part of the Teddy Santis New Balance made collection. I think might have been the first or second season, and it was one that released back in 2022. I think the price point was 200 or at least like 185 around there. And this is a part of a series this year that I'm gonna do where I go back and buy sneakers that I liked but passed on originally. So here it is in August 2023, and I finally got this sneaker. Got it off of eBay. Believe it or not, it is used. You can see some slight wear around the shoe, but in my opinion, worth the $122 I paid for it, and definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of this shoe. Now, as far as the review today, we're gonna go over the materials, the comfort, and also end with the size. And so if you're interested in getting a pair of 990 V2s, stay to the end where I give you some of my tips as far as what size to get on this particular shoe. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the materials. So as far as the materials, we have a variety here on the New Balance 990 V2, which most are traditional to the silhouette. So of course, this high quality pigskin suede makes its way all around the shoe here. And as far as the quality, you don't even have to question it. You can see as I stroke the shoe, color changing effect there, indicative of how well the material is. Now, New Balance N logo, 3M, which is a nod to the original running shoe nature of this shoe. So more than just fashion, there is some functionality to the shoe. Now behind that is some white leather, which is more or less probably synthetic, but adds a nice little pop here to the upper. Toe box, another aspect of the shoe that I really like is the mesh. It's very lightweight, soft to the touch, breathable, which makes it very easy to wear straight out of the box. You're not gonna feel any type of discomfort. Well, most of people aren't when it comes to this shoe because the materials are so nice, breathable, lightweight, flexible, and all of that. So also another 3M hit here at the base of the laces. Speaking of the laces, they are in this cream colorway, which matches the cream hits on the midsole, which I think just make the shoe just perfect for my type of look. Now, as far as the tongue, got some more of that pigskin suede, the New Balance 990, New Balance made in USA embroidery with the New Balance N logo also here on this little lace loop. So moving on into the insole, I took the insole out, but here we go. We got a kind of not really white sock liner, but it's kind of a very, very light gray, which I think is a great touch. When the shoe gets a lot of wear, it's not gonna look as dingy as if it was pure white. So question of the day, the 990 V2, where does it rank in terms of your favorite as far as the 990 lineup? Is it 990 V1, V2, V3, all the way to V6? Which one is your favorite? I would have to say this one is probably my favorite, close second with a 990 V4, but both great silhouettes. So as far as the comfort, for me, I love the comfort of this shoe, and that's probably one of the main reasons why I like it as far as my favorite of the 990. It just feels so good. So as you can see, the back end of the shoe, we have more of a thicker midsole here. Now you're not gonna sit on this part. This kind of comes up, but you're gonna sit, your foot's gonna sit kind of right in there. But as far as the Absorb, it's one of those technologies that isn't the softest, but as far as just offering tremendous support, it's unmatched. And then as far as longevity, you can wear this shoe and it's gonna feel good forever. Like it literally is. So if you're ever concerned about comfort when it comes to these shoes, you can lay that to rest. This is probably one of the most comfortable shoes ever. So yeah, man, this is a great shoe. As far as sizing, for me, just about every 990, I like to go down a half size. So I traditionally wear 12s and a lot of Nikes and Jordans, But in this particular silhouette, we're going down to 11.5. That allows me to wear the laces kind of loose, no heel slippage at all. Still gonna have the ability to rock these comfortably any way I want to rock them down at 11.5. So even though the toe box doesn't come up that high, I don't think you would have any issues. But if you do have wider feet, you know, you might want to consider going true to size. Not many times would I suggest going up a half size on these. So there we have it, New Balance 990 V2 Navy Castlerock colorway. Let me know what you think about this particular shoe in the comments below. Of course, there's been many colorways that released over the past couple years with the Teddy Santis collections. If you have any, let me know which one that you have or your favorites, and appreciate it. As always, if you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, all that good stuff. You can follow us around social media at The Retro Insider. And don't forget to check out theretroinsider.com for more sneaker related content. But hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, as always, stay humble and proceed.